Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Hida is here, your computer science teacher, and today is our third lecture of week 5 from the unit 1 fundamentals of computer. First we recap the previous lesson in which we discussed the mouse, microphone and scanner. These are all input devices. In the mouse we discussed that the mouse is the pointing device that is used to control the movement of the cursor on the screen, and microphone is used for audio input to the computer, and the scanner is used to scan the images and text and convert them into the digital form and store them in the computer. Here start our today's lecture in which we discuss the barcode reader, touch screen and digital camera. Barcode reader. Barcode reader is an input device that read the barcode printed on the product that represent the product code. Basically, barcode reader is used to read the barcode, like in the products that product cover consists of the parallel bars that are consist of the product description and price, and the barcode reader used to read the product code for calculating or printing the bill for the customer. You can see them in the different malls and stores. The barcode reader system is used. The barcode reader read your product code and then calculate the bill for the customer. This is in the picture you can see the barcode reader. This is used to scan the product price for the customers and calculate the bill. Digital camera. Digital camera is also input device that is used to capture the pictures and store them in the digital form. It is also an output device because it can also display the picture on the screen. After that you can capture the picture with the help of digital camera. You can also download or copy them into the computer system and then edit, view or insert in the documents. In the picture you can see the digital camera. Touch screen. Touch screen is a pressure sensitive display screen that is used to interact with the computer by touching pictures or words with the fingers. You can in this modern era you can use or see the touch screen devices like mobile phones and tablets etc. are touch screen devices that you can use them with the help of fingers, like for opening different apps or for typing and many other purposes. You can use the touch screen with the help of fingers. Here is our today's lecture in which we discuss the barcode reader, digital camera and touch screen. Assignment of this lecture is write a note on any 3 input devices. As we discuss all the input devices, you can write any 3 input devices on loose sheet and then submit it on the AIS. Here is our today's lecture. If you have any question or query, you can ask from me. Allah Hafiz.